Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm doing something a little different. Actually, I don't think I've ever done these on my channel before. As I drop my eggs in the sink, is chicken legs. Oh. Good grief. Alright, as soon as I stop dropping everything everywhere, let's get cooking. Alright. Trying to hurry because I got potatoes in the oven. I'll go ahead and season these before I flour. I'm going to leave the skin on, I think. So let me get seasoning these and I'll bring it back. Alright, so the idea is I'm going to take this, put it in flour, egg, and then panko, and then I'm going to brown them slightly in the pan before throwing them in the oven to bake them up. I already have sweet potatoes cooking. So hopefully everything will be done at the same time. If not, oops. So kind of like that. I'm going to do probably one more, and then I'll do the rest off camera. So you don't sit there. These are kind of thick. I'm hoping the I guess I can always reheat the potatoes a little bit if need be, if I have to pull them out. So, alright. So, just like that. Let me. I hope I don't have to go with 3 pans. These are kind of big, but let's. I'll work on these off camera, and I'll. Alright, these are a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be. So. Pan's hot enough. Well, I'll put a little color on them before I throw them in the oven, so pan. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven. I'll pull these potatoes out for now. 375-degree oven. I'll do 20 minutes. I feel like this week's video is going to be rather short because the oven basically did all the work. So let's get this chicken out. Oh, looks really good. Let's temp it. Just want to make sure I don't get sick. I've had food poisoning and it sucks. We have some fully cooked chicken. Sweet. Unfortunately, every time I came into the kitchen to do something or to check on something, I grab a few and munch them. I've already eaten more than I meant to. Plate up. I grab one of these. I guess I'm gonna grab this one. Just because I'll grab a few potatoes. I made a little extra because I'm taking some to work tomorrow for lunch because I gotta work a double tomorrow. And now I got broccoli in the steamer I need to bust out. Steamed broccoli. He has some butter on it. Sweet. Alrighty. I've already been munching on potatoes, so I know they're good. Nothing special about the broccoli, just steamed. I will say the broccoli is probably one of my favorite vegetables, so. And corn too when it's in season. Hot. The Panko's got a nice crunch to it. I think I could have marinated it in something first, but maybe not. Maybe next time. Well, it's quite good. It's just super hot. I should have waited a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Panko's got a nice crunch to it. It's well seasoned, not salty. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner. So do want to thank you for watching, and the playlist for Cast on Wednesday will be down in the description, and last week's video will be up there too. And I hope you guys are having a great week. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll catch you in the next one.